Hi fam! Welcome back to our channel. This is Miss A, your Classy Beauty Savvy. And today, for today's video, magkwekwentuhan lang tayo. And this will be a sad video perhaps, I must say. Kasi this is not my usual happy, light kind of video for you guys. I've been going through a lot. Like ilang linggo na. And that's because my dog got sick, si Beauty. So, if you haven't watched my December vlogs, I shared there her birthday, her first ever birthday, and you were able to see her there sa ating December vlogs. And from time to time, pinapakita ko naman siya sa mga videos ko. And she's my baby. She's my beauty. And just recently, April 3 actually, I noticed that her energy level and her kakulitan ay nag-iba. It's because she got sick. And April 6, nung dumating dito yung vet to check her up, we found out that she was positive, or she got the positive result dun sa kanyang distemper test. So that's a very sad news for many of us, for all of us sa family, kasi distemper, as we all know, is a fatal disease for dogs. And it's, sabi nila, you can only cure it through supportive care. And supportive care nga is through yung mga medicines na ipe-prescribe sa inyo ng vet. So let's just describe Beauty as a dog. Before this, for the past year na kasama ko siya, she's a very jolly, loving, like energetic kind of dog. Ang hilig niyang mangulit, matakaw siya, at napakagulo niya talaga. So she's a happy puppy. So every time na uuwi kami galing sa groceries, magzuzoomies yan, maglalaro yan, manghaharot yan sa'yo. And she also likes, yung mga pretend bite, like biting your hands, kami ng daddy niya, kasi mahilig siyang mag-bite kasi nga puppy, and then ganon, basta very very playful siyang kind of dog. So nung biglang nawala lahat yon, nung traits niyang yon, nung April 3, it was so noticeable, and I got so alarmed kasi biglang hindi siya maganang kumain, biglang hindi na siya umiinom ng tubig. At yung worst na nakita ko sa kanya is nagmumuta yung mata niya. Like, sobrang lalaking muta. Like, sorry, if this will trigger you in any way, you can click X or just skip this video and watch my other videos instead. Kasi this is a very personal story that I would like to share with you, and hopefully matulungan ko yung ibang fur parents like me na going through this kind of struggles din sa inyong mga fur babies. So, and share ko ano man yung mga na-experience ko as a fur parent handling a dog with a distemper. So, I'll just share with you yung mga natutunan ko, and hopefully makatulong tong video na to. That's why I'm making this one and documenting this one then for everyone and for myself. So, April 6, we decided to contact a vet, and good thing, meron kaming vet dito na malapit sa Cavite na nag-home service. So, the vet went here and checked on Beauty. Ayun nga. And extracted blood from her. And then, after 2 hours, we got the result na positive nga siya sa distemper. So, this was her parang distemper kind of result na paper. It's here that she's positive. So, from that moment on, actually, nung nakita pa lang siya ni Doc, may hinala na siya na distemper nga siya, kasi nga yun nga, nagmumuta yung dog. And sabi ni vet, or sabi ni doc, it's a normal disease daw every summer sa mga dogs, and it's viral infection, or sorry, not viral, parang gano'n, airborne, pwede ding through birth. Like, for example, yung mommy niya ay may distemper nung pinanganak siya, definitely magkaka-distemper din yung mga dogs. Or, it can be through, like, someone else, like, touching a dog with a distemper, like the fur parents. They touch the dog with a distemper, and then after a few minutes, tinouch naman nila yung sarili nilang dog with that distemper. Pwede ako maging carrier nun, and ma-transfer yun sa aso ko. So, those other the 3 reasons I've mentioned, we really don't know how Beauty got it. So, yung naisip namin is airborne. But we don't know kung sino sa neighborhood ang may aso na may distemper. And then, a week later, we found out na yung kapitbahay namin, which is just across our street, yung mga aso nila ay namatay. Like, all of their dogs ay namatay dahil nagkasakit. And they weren't able to find it out kung ano yung sakit ng dogs nila. But from the hearsay, yung mga sabi-sabi, nagsusuka daw yung dogs nila, and then yun nga, matamlay, hindi din kumakain, hindi rin umiinom ng tubig. So, definitely, we have like an inkling na distemper din yung naging sakit ng mga dogs nila. And since airborne nga siya, at kapitbahay lang namin sila, as in like few walks away from our house, at lagi si Beauty nandun sa garden namin, sniffing things, as minsan lumalapit din yung mga dogs ng kapitbahay dun sa fence namin, tapos nag-aamuyan sila. So, most probably, dun nakuha ni Beauty yung distemper niya. So, it's sad. No one wanted that for their dogs, pero since nandito na at may sakit na si Beauty, we have to find a way to help her with this sickness. So, April 6, like what I said, na-diagnose siya ng distemper, and I'm filming this ngayon, and it's already April 17. It has been a week, more than a week, magto 2 weeks na siya ng April 20th since nung na-diagnose siya ng may distemper. And so far, the progress. So, let me just tell you yung progress niya. First few days, actually, active pa siya nung na-find out ko na medyo, yun nga, nagkakaroon na siya ng mga muta-muta. The level of activeness is still high, pero slowly, yun nga, nagdi-decrease siya as the virus gets into her, like, her system. Yun. Tapos, first week, sobrang hina niya ng kumain. Tapos, na-notice namin na hindi siya mahilig na sa mga solid food. So, after 3 to 4 days na feel namin na hindi na niya kayang i-take yung mga solid food, we decided to go for wet food. Tapos yung wet food, wini-wet pa namin. So that means nilalagyan pa namin siya ng extra water para lang mas ma-dissolve siya at mas maging easier for her to take it. So we decided to buy some canned wet food for dogs like this. So ito siya. Ito yung favorite ni Beauty so far. Ito yung pag sineserve namin to sa kanya, she enjoys it. So ito yung Daily Delight na juicy chicken. So this one is energy lifter, sabi dito. So ito yung kanyang dog food right now. So ayan, this is our second can since nung na-diagnose siya. Ito, this can last her for few days kasi nga ang hina na niya kumain. So, tapos, niresetahan kami ni vet or ni doc ng mga gamot. So, meron kaming doxycycline, that's a 200 milligram na capsule or tablet. Actually, naging tablet na siya. From yung first week, capsule pa yung binigay. And then, yung second week, naging tablet na siya. And it looks like this. Sa vet din namin to binibili. So, ayun siya. Once every after meal. So, twice siya. Twice a day. And then, this one, I believe is it's an antibiotic. Yun. This is her antibiotic to fight the virus. Meron din kaming bronchcure. So, I'll just take a picture here or show you a picture here kasi natapon ko na. Ubus na kasi yun. And it's only for 1 week. So, yun ay 5 ml twice a day after meal din. And that's actually for her, yun nga, pagmumuta, for her lungs, sa kanyang cough, at to avoid vomiting. Kasi kapag ang dog mo ay may distemper, they vomit and they also have like cough and then yun nga pagmumuta. So it was effective, nabawasan yung pagmumuta niya at hindi na rin siya nagsusuka, hindi na rin siya umuubo. So that's great. So yun yung Bronc-Cure. 1 bottle siya. Tapos, meron din kaming Nerve Flex or Nerve Flex. Ito naman, yung second na or third na nireseta ni Doc, and this one is for 5 ml twice a day, then for 2 weeks. So, ito yung kanyang bottle. So, ayan, 2 times a day, 5 ml. And ito naman is, according to this one, this is Brain Tonic. It helps to control tremor stage. Actually, dahil sa pang second week na to ni Beauty, almost mag 2 weeks na siya. So, meron na akong nakikitang light tremors, like nanginginig na yung legs niya. And it's actually a part of this disease. Na-notice kong nanginginig yung mga paa niya, tapos nahihirapan siyang umakyat, bumaba ng sahig, ay ng kama, ng hagdanan. So, we needed to carry her. Yun. So, aside from it helps control tremor stage, it repairs nerve damage, partial paralysis and lameness condition. For better blood circulation, it increases resistance, especially during training, and improves fertility. Ayun, ito yung Nerve Flex. This is the Nerve Tonic B complex vitamin enriched with probiotics. So, ito ang aming fino-focus ngayon sa kanya kasi nga nakikinikitaan ko na siya nung yun nga, twitch, yung tremor or panginginig na kanyang mga legs dahil nga sa sakit na distemper. And then, Black Armor is a very good source of like booster to, immune booster. So, ayun nga, immune enhancer. Yun na siya. So, this was also prescribed by the doctor, and we have to give Beauty 2 ml of this 4 times a day. And, ang sabi dito, it actually helps build stronger immunity by activating the immune system for the control and prevention of viral and bacterial infections, which is so needed ni Beauty ngayon. It helps improve gut health by reducing the inflammation and maintaining the tight junction, helps promote healthy bones and joints, and it helps promote skin health and heal wounds. And then, Hun Detox is a capsule na prescribed din ni Doc, pero it looks like this, and this is for her liver daw. Liver. So, ito yon. Once a day naman itong tinitake ni Beauty. And if you're wondering how does my dog take yung mga ganitong mga klase ng gamot, ang ginagawa namin is hinahalo namin to sa something sweet. Let's say favorite niya kasi yung condensed milk. So hinahalo namin to like one spoonful of condensed milk, or actually half spoonful ng condensed milk, tapos hinahalo na to, tapos yun, nakain na niya. Actually, nung unang beses, hirap na hirap kaming painumin si Beauty ng gamot dahil first time niyang magkasakit. Wala siyang experience sa pag-inom ng mga gamot, so talagang nahirapan din kami. And since this one is now a tablet, kasi hindi na siya powdered form, ang gagawin naman namin dito, or ginagawa naman namin dito is, dinudurog mo na siya. So, lalagyan mo ng warm water to, ng very konti lang. Tapos, dudurugin mo once na lumambot na siya. And then, yun nga, ihahalo namin siya sa honey, or sa condensed milk. Tapos, yun, ipapakain na kay Beauty. So, it works naman. Ayun, so for liquids, katulad nitong Nerve Flex, hinahalo namin to sa milk, lahat ng mga liquids niya. So sa milk namin siya hinahalo para mas mabilis niyang mainom. Kasi before, we tried yung sa syringe lang. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Yung sa syringe. Ito. Ay, no. Dropper. So ito. We have the dropper and we have the syringe. So, dati, nung first ever naming try sa kanya, talagang nilalagay pa namin dito. Tapos, isushoot namin sa bibig niya. Hindi talaga yun nag-work. Maraming nasayang na gamot kasi hindi niya iniinom. Ayaw niya. Actually, may lagay mo lang yung sa bibig niya tong tip nung syringe, lumalayo na siya. So, even this dropper. So, we have thought of mixing it na lang sa milk. Tapos, ayun, dun lang naging effective yung pagpapainom sa kanya ng gamot nung nilagay na namin siya sa milk. So, yun yung tip ko sa inyo if ever nahihirapan kayong magpainom ng liquid sa inyong dogs, sa inyong dogs na may sakit. You mix it with milk, yung ano man yung iniinom nila. Tapos sa mga tablets naman, durugin ninyo or sa capsule, ihalo ninyo sa something na favorite nila. Yung iba, favorite ang peanut butter. Yung iba, favorite yun nga sa amin naman is honey or condensed milk. So yun yung ginagawa namin para ihalo yung gamot sa kanyang kakainin. And then after that, we also have vitamin C. So ito naman yung vitamin C ni Beauty. And this is Prophylix C. And Prophylix C is 2 ml once a day for 14 days. So, ito yon. And ito na yung kanya. May folic acid and vitamin B9. Meron din siyang ferrous sulfate and sodium ascorbate. So, yon. Ito yung laman nung, ito yung mga ingredients nitong Prophylix C. So, ayan. Ito yung mga gamot ni Beauty and she needs to take this for 2 weeks. Yun yung duration ng lahat ng gamot na prescribe ni Doc. So, 2 weeks and after 2 weeks, babalik si Doc to check the progress, to check Beauty. So, ayun. So, for some dogs, they recover from this sickness 10 days lang. And for Beauty, it is like 2 weeks na, magto 2 weeks na. And some dogs, they recover it for more than months or a month. So, depende siya sa immune system ng dogs ninyo and sa kakayahan niyang gumaling. So, yun nga, for us, for parents, we have to be extra patient. We have to really just love our pets para ma-feel nila na we're there to take care of her or for them. Tapos, basta, lagi lang ninyong i-monitor kung ano man yung nararamdaman ng dogs ninyo kasi syempre they cannot talk, they cannot tell us kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman nila. So, just observe them, monitor them to see what's happening, kung ano na yung mga changes, yung progress na nangyayari after they have taken those meds. So, I definitely agree or highly suggest na kapag may makita kayo, even the slightest difference sa ugali nila, and then kung may mga symptoms na kayong nakikita, to consult a vet immediately para mas maagapan ninyo yung dogs ninyo. Unlike itong nangyari doon sa kapitbahay namin na namatay talaga lahat ng dogs nila. And how many dogs do they have? 5. So, sayang yung mga dogs nila. So, yun nga. Just ingat, and I'll give you an update either sa social media, sa Instagram, or dito sa sa YouTube, and to let you know how Beauty is going or doing. Beauty is meme. Yan siya. Anong day na to, Lavi? 1 week na since nagka-Distemper si Beauty, no? Hi, anak. Having so much fun sleeping, huh? Hindi na po siya masyadong minumuta. Thank goodness. She's meme na. So this is her body now. 9 days since we have found out na meron siyang distemper. Bebe, Beauty, say hi. Say hi. Medyo wala siya talaga sa mood. Pero yun, nag-lose weight na siya, that's for sure. Yun siya. Pero lalaban tayo. Diba, baby? Lalaban? Lalaban yan eh. Yung maganda kong anak eh. Bunny, show them your face, anak. How are you daw feeling? They're asking you. Are you feeling better, anak ko? It's Beauty's what? How many days na, anak? Ha? This is Beauty's 2nd week.
ng pagkakaroon ng sakit. Ano ba, nak? Medyo mahina pa siya kumain. Yan. If you take a look at her paws, ganyan, mayroon siyang dryness. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, ano ko yan, nilalagyan ko ng wet na basahan, tapos winiwet ko yung paa niya para hindi mag-dry masyado. Tapos significantly, ayan, nanghina siya talaga, tapos nag-drop yung weight niya, medyo mahina siya, tapos pag tinatouch yung ditong part niya, medyo masakit. Feeling ko medyo masakit kasi umaano siya eh, kumikilos siya ng bongga. Ayan o, mapayat na siya dito. Tapos nararamdaman ko na yung kanyang backbone dito. Medyo mahina siya ngayon. 2 weeks na siyang may sakit. Nak, ika daw, show me your face. Ay, suso. Ayan siya oh. Medyo sad siya. Pero lagi ko siyang inaalagaan. At saka lagi ko siyang katabi. Ay, hindi naman lagi. Pero most of the time katabi ko siya. Kasi lately, hindi siya pumapunta dito sa kwarto dahil nahihirapan siyang umakyat ng mga hagdanan. So, ayan. Ayan ang anak ko.
Ayun. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope hindi kayo masyadong nalungkot sa video natin. And I hope may natutunan kayo kahit papaano sa ating content today. And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye everyone!